In this Spreadsheet Templates Mastery review, I'm going to be showing you a course that's going to teach you how you can actually make money selling spreadsheets on Etsy from a guy that's actually doing it. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Spreadsheet Templates Mastery, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, are you ready to make serious money on Etsy? Forget the low profit printables. This is the real way to skyrocket your sales. Sell Google Sheets and Excel spreadsheets templates for profit. Easily create a 5-figure or 6-figure business. Low competition and higher profits. Full training from a worldwide spreadsheet master. So it's kind of amazing that people are actually selling spreadsheets on Etsy. And if you look at them, they're actually quite useful. It's like, I was like, oh, I would never want to buy a spreadsheet. And then I was looking, I was like, oh, that could be really actually helpful. Especially like if you're trying to do your annual budget or you plan out your week, like these spreadsheets can be really helpful as like they go and they do all these different calculations. And I'm not very good at making them. However, you can get them done for you. And if you can learn how to create these and you can learn which ones actually sell, then you can make them easily and be able to sell them to people that simply want to make their lives a little bit easier. And you can see these. This shop opened 7 months ago on Etsy, 19 active listings, 996 sales, all spreadsheets priced over $20, estimated earnings $20,000 in the last 7 months from a new store on Etsy. Here's another one here, opened 10 months ago, 4 active listings, 5,000 sales, all spreadsheets priced at $25. Estimated earnings of $129,000 from selling silly little spreadsheets. So it's kind of really funny, but it's just another way of adding some extra income. Like even if you didn't make anywhere even close to what these people made, even if you made like a fraction of it, that'll be pretty cool to make some extra money selling spreadsheets. So I'm going to play a quick video from its creator, Ken, and then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Hey, I've got something really exciting to show you right here. I think you can tell it's about spreadsheets. If you're looking up or down the sales page, you know that's what it is. But let me give you the details. I came across this niche and it just knocked my socks off. There is so much profit to be made in here for 2 reasons. One is you can charge higher prices for the things and they're still just digital files. And number 2, there's less competition because they're a little more complex to make. I'm going to show you some of what I found, and this is just a sampling, okay? I'm on Etsy here. I put in a search for household budgeting spreadsheet. Typical need, we need to budget our food and our utilities and all that stuff we all need to do. So I come here and look at these spreadsheets that other people are selling, and they're all over the place with pricing. $5 and change, $4 and change, $18.55. Okay, $18.55. Wow. Let's see what else. Some are low, $3.28. And by the way, I do not recommend pricing any of these that low. I don't know if they're just trying to do a race to the bottom with price, but that gets nobody anywhere. Charge more. Okay, here's one for $9.95, $16.40, and on and on. You can come here and do a search on your own. I've seen some of these for $20, $25, $30. I even saw one for $100, and it sells because it's specialized. I'm trying to get you and me to stick more with like the household ones that have a wider appeal to a greater number of people. So you're looking at this and thinking, that looks interesting. Let's go look in some more detail, okay? Because I'm going to show you something about the very shops I'm looking at. So here's one shop. They have a total of 11 items. That's their entire shop. It's not filled with dozens and hundreds of things, hoping they'll get sales if they flood Etsy with all kinds of things. Very focused, 11 items. That's it. Look at the prices. $14, $9.50, and that's actually a sale price off of $19. People buy this stuff. The perceived value is greater because it's a higher price. The need is bigger. Budgeting? Wow. I mean, households can save a whole bunch of money if they watch what their money is doing. Let's go to another one. Let's see. Here's one, Life and My Finances. What do they have? Just 14 items. Some are lower priced. Some are hitting the $9, $13 level. So they are making some sales. Do I have one more here? Let's see. The Weekly Crew. Don't know who these people are, but let's take a look. They have a total of 18 listings. That's it, just 18 listings. No dozens and dozens, no hundreds of listings like I see some shops have. $15, $15, $4, go figure, but they do have the higher priced ones. Okay, so I'm showing you some interesting stuff, and you may still be wondering, but are they getting sales? Like, so they have nice prices. Where's the rest of the story? So in this training, in my product here, and something I'm suggesting super strong you start using is something called eRank. It's a utility that tracks Etsy sales. It lets you spy on your competition, which I'm going to show you right now. Let's get that up here. I have eRank open. I have a whole training about eRank in the product, but right away, check out these numbers, all right? These are some of the stores I just showed you and a few others. Oh gosh, let's see. Like here is a store that's been around for 1 month. 1 month, and they just have 6 listings. 1 month, 6 listings, 830 sales in 1 month. And these are not $1.99 or 75 cents or $2.50 printables, all right? If they're charging $10, and I'm sure they're running some ads. I would imagine all these places are running ads because they can afford them now with these prices. They're still bringing home a nice chunk of change. Better than I think most printable businesses. What else we have here? This one has been around for less than a year. Just 4 active listings. 4, that's it. Almost 5,000 sales. 5,000? 4 listings? Less than a year? Do you have that kind of success on Etsy? Most people don't come anywhere near this, all right? Do we have any more here? Let's see. How about this one? They've been around for 2.5 years. Okay, more established. They've got a good number of listings, but they've got nearly 30,000 sales. Now, bear in mind, that's not $30,000. That's 30,000 units that people got. If they're charging, and I don't know, let's take an average of $10. Even let's take an average of $5. Pull out a calculator, do the math, and I think you are going to be in shock at how much money you can make off spreadsheets. It's all here. It's all real. I've been looking at this for days, and I got to tell you the truth. I didn't even know whether to release this product. I want to keep this all for myself. I'm doing this coming up soon myself because it's too good not to. But here we are. I'm sharing it with you. I made a product around this. So please look up and down the sales page here. I have some more information, a few more graphics about these stores, these Etsy shops, and the buy buttons down there. Of course, that's what I want you to do. Buy. Let's buy this product because it's really going to help you. And let's get going. We can all be putting out a spreadsheet business. Are you going to be my competition? Am I going to be your competition? Here's the thing. There's enough room for all of us because this is way less competition overall than things like printables or other things that are inexpensive. And I know not everybody is going to jump on this because then you might be thinking, wow, spreadsheets, that's complicated. You know, and I'm not going to sugarcoat this. If it's brand new to you, yeah, you're going to have a learning curve, but I want you to keep the goal in mind. If you can get past a little bit of learning, you can even outsource the work, by the way, and not do anything. You are going to start to see profits like this. If you just do your listings right, your SEO, all that Etsy stuff that people got to do anyway, and those profits are going to be coming in. Let's get started. Click below.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the back-end area where they have all the different training here on how to sell these spreadsheets, extras, bonuses, everything all included in this members area. They do have 2 upgrades here. So the first one is going to be an extra pack of like charts, advanced formatting, advanced functions, sheet protection, using filters. You get all these 12 ready to go PLR spreadsheets. You can have things already done for you, like monthly budget, household inventory, client tracker, mileage log, weight loss tracker, job search tracker. So these are optional upgrades here for that one. So that's the first one that you're going to see And if you say no to that one, you're going to see the second one that is a special live training where he's going to be teaching you exactly like step by step how to actually make money with this. If you want some more hands-on attention with this, it's either 97 or 297 for this one. And of course, all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Spreadsheet Templates Mastery and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, just because other people are making a ton of money on this doesn't mean you're going to automatically get rich doing this. Don't ever think that. This is just a method. It's something that it's going to take time. You're going to have to learn how to do these spreadsheets. You're going to have to go through the training. So just be aware of that. What do I like about this? I think this is a really neat idea. Even if you were just to like set up, let's say you did like 10 of these and only one of them was successful and you started making like random $20 sales here and there. I mean, that would be pretty cool, right? So if you're interested in creating either a full-time income or even just a little part-time income by doing this because you're curious about it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Spreadsheet Templates Mastery review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.